How to add transitions to Instagram Reels. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete, and I'm back with new tutorial. And on today's video we will see how we can add transition to Instagram Reels. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in, now navigate to the bottom of this interface and tap on the plus icon at the middle. Then tap on Reel. Now once you're on your Reel section, you have to record it from your mobile phone. So what you have to do is simply tap on this record button from this enter and take multiple videos. So try to record multiple videos from your phone or phone camera. After you're done taking your videos, tap on next button. And once you're on this page, tap on this edit video button from the bottom left corner. Now from here you can add transitions to this clip. So simply tap on this clip icon, and from here you can choose a transition. You can either choose the zoom one, the blur one, wrap, flare, spin or glitch. So according to your preferences, choose one, or if you like to apply this transition to all of your clips, tap on apply to all button from the bottom left corner. Once you're done, tap on done, and you can repeat the same with other clip as well. After you're done, simply tap on the next icon from the top right corner, and then you can post this reel on your Instagram account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.